So here we have a Yorkshire fitting. Now it's called a Yorkshire fitting because it has a ring of solder in the inside of it. I'm sure if you can see that there. Whereas if you look at a normal end feed fitting, it hasn't got the solder. And also you can tell because it's got this ring going around it on the outside. So this is called a Yorkshire fitting, or also known as a DIY fitting. It's extremely expensive compared to the normal end feed fitting, and all we have to do with this is we just have to clean up the pipe, apply a bit of flux, and just put the blowtorch on it, and then what will happen is the solder will flow out of the fitting here. So let me just show you how that works.